Alright, it's time we discuss the most important and recent Supreme Court rulings on Prevention of Corruption Act, very important for your CBI, APP as well as PP exam 2025. The first up, State of Karnataka versus Shri Channa Keshwa HD. इस केस में held किया गया that preliminary inquiry is not mandatory before registering of FIR against the public servant, and any absence of preliminary inquiry is not the ground to quash the FIR. Furthermore, इस केस में held किया गया that public servants do not have inherent right to be heard at the stage of registering of FIR. Raghunath Bansaropan Pandey versus State of Gujarat. इस केस में held किया गया that courts should not generally stop the conviction of public servant in corruption cases. Suspension of sentence का मतलब suspension of conviction नहीं है. इस केस में कोई exceptional circumstances नहीं show किए गए. Therefore, plea was dismissed, and very clearly Supreme Court stated that public interest overrides the private hardship. Next up is Aman Bhatia versus State GNCT of Delhi. इस केस में held किया गया कि stamp vendors जो होते हैं, they are public servants under Prevention of Corruption Act. Test nature of duty का है. Test is not that of employment status. Selling of stamp papers is public duty, as they get remuneration via government regulated discounts. However, in this case, demand and acceptance of bribe was not proved beyond reasonable doubt. Therefore, the conviction was set aside. Next up is Dilip Bhai Nanubhai Sanghai versus State of Gujarat. Presumption under Section 20 cannot only be raised on proof of demand. Authority का misuse करना corruption नहीं है, and therefore minister was discharged in this case due to lack of evidence. Next up is Devinder Kumar Bansal versus State of Punjab. इस case में held किया गया that demand or solicitation itself constitutes an offence under Section 7. Audio recording थी, trap evidence था, both of them are strong prima facie case. इस case में held किया गया कि invalid or defective sanction does not ipso facto vitiate the trial. क्या sanctioning authority competent है is a matter of trial, and it is a question of evidence, and High Court should not casually interfere in the matter. I hope this helps all the aspirants out there. Do not forget to share it with your friends and follow me for such educational content. All the best.